Hello, everyone. This is session number 7 of our basic level IELTS speaking mastery series. We'll explore the environment from your personal eco friendly habits in part 1 to a memorable place in nature for part 2, and then discuss broader environmental issues in part 3. Enjoy practicing and don't forget to subscribe and share your feedback.
Good day, candidate. Welcome to the IELTS speaking test. I'll first ask you about your habits and experiences, then give you a cue card in part 2, and finally we'll broaden our discussion in part 3. Let's begin.
In part 1, the examiner will confirm your identity and then explore basic questions about your everyday relationship with nature and the environment. Keep answers concise and natural.
Hello, my name is Georgia. Could you please tell me your full name? May I see your ID?
Hello, I'm Erin Ruby. Here you are.
Do you think you spend enough time outdoors?
Not really. I'd like to spend more time outside, but I often get busy with studies and chores.
Is there a park or a natural area near where you live?
Yes, there's a small park about 10 minutes away. It has a few trees, a pond, and a playground for kids.
Do you recycle at home or at work study?
I try to recycle paper and plastic. We have separate bins for waste in our building.
Have you ever volunteered for an environment?
Not yet, but I'd like to. Some of my friends joined a tree planting program in our town.
What do you think of public transport as a way to reduce pollution?
I think it's a good idea. If more people used buses or trains, there'd be fewer cars on the road, which helps cut down on emissions.
Do you carry any reusable items, like water bottles or shopping bags?
Yes, I keep a reusable water bottle in my backpack and bring a reusable shopping bag for groceries.
Has your attitude towards the environment changed over time?
Yes, as I learn more, I realize how important it is to reduce waste and protect nature.
How often do you follow environmental news or documentaries?
Occasionally, I watch short videos online about climate change or endangered animals. I find them quite eye-opening.
Part 2 presents a cue card to describe a natural place you find special. You have 1 minute to prepare notes, then you'll speak for 1 to 2 minutes.
You have 1 minute to organize your ideas and up to 2 minutes to speak. You have 1 minute to organize your ideas and up to 2 minutes to speak.
I'd like to talk about a small lake in my hometown. It's located just outside the main city area, surrounded by trees and walking trails. People often visit for picnics or to jog around the lake. I try to go there at least once a month, especially on weekends. The reason I enjoy this place so much is the peaceful atmosphere. You can hear birds chirping and see ducks swimming on the lake. It helps me clear my mind and relax, away from the noise of the city. Spending a couple of hours there feels refreshing and reminds me of the importance of nature in our lives.
Part 3 expands on environmental issues and the importance of nature. The examiner may ask 4 to 6 questions involving broader social perspectives, inviting reasons, opinions, and analysis.
How do you think urbanization affects the natural environment?
It often leads to deforestation and pollution because more buildings and roads are constructed. Green spaces can become smaller.
Do you think individuals can do enough to protect the environment, or is government action more important?
Both are necessary. Individuals can recycle and save energy, but governments must create policies and invest in sustainable infrastructure for real impact.
Is it important for children to learn about environmental issues?
Yes, absolutely. Teaching kids about nature and eco-friendly habits early can shape their attitudes and make them more responsible in the future.
Why do some people believe that climate change is not their concern?
Maybe because they feel it's too big a problem, or they don't see the effects in their daily lives. Others might not have enough information or feel helpless.
Do you think technology could help solve some environmental problems?
Yes, innovations like renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, and new recycling methods can reduce pollution and waste. But technology alone isn't enough. We also need awareness and cooperation.
Well done. In this session, you talked about your everyday eco-friendly habits in part 1, described a peaceful natural location in part 2, and discussed environmental challenges in part 3. Keep practicing these skills and applying personal experiences to sound natural. See you in the next session.